Where's my... There you are. I need to text best friend. Hey, Bella. This lighting is so perfect. I need to take a selfie. Which filter should I use? Let's use... Yes! New level unlocked! Almost got the high score! What? It died? I need to find a charger. What? It died? I gotta get the charger. What? It died? How is this possible? Where are you going? I need to get my charger quick. You do not need your charger. You are getting out into nature. Get out into nature? The sun gives you vitamin D. Getting out into nature boosts your creativity and your focus. Everyone should get out into nature. It's so beautiful. Come on, let's go. I love nature. The vitamin D. This is a Bermuda cedar tree. It is endemic to Bermuda. So many vehicles are polluting the earth, so we have to get out into nature and enjoy what we have now. Nature! If you take the time to look around in nature, you'll see how beautiful it actually is. A lot of people take nature for granted. Why don't you take the time to look around and appreciate your surroundings? Just look around. Nature is so beautiful. Get out into nature! Getting out into nature was such a great experience. I'm definitely going to take the time off to get out into nature. Wait, I wasn't paying attention. Why is it important to get out into nature? Why do you think it's important to get out into nature?
You can't learn everything from a book. You need to get out and experience it. And if you all the time sit in a classroom or sit inside watching the TV, there is a wealth of opportunities and experiences outside that you will never get to see.
Get out into nature, because without nature, our whole environment begins to decay.
Getting out into nature. Well, getting out into nature is very important because unless you actually get out and experience something, you will not be able to fully understand it. Understanding the environment and what's living in that environment gives you an overall better understanding of the world itself. Simply, it's just geography.
It's important to get out into the natural environment, to connect with the environment and appreciate its beauty, to get fresh air and to get exercise and have fun.
I think it's really important to get out into nature because you can feel the fresh air and look at all the living creatures. For me, it's an opportunity to reflect and think, and I feel very free.